this a vacuum. And you'll notice when I put it in, you'll see this like layer. Because all the ethanol around it vaporizes. Underwater welding uses the same idea. All the water around it when they're welding vaporizes, and they're like welding in this like vacuum bubble under the sea. It's crazy. So it all vaporizes, and then once all the heat stops, like once the water cools down enough, that bubble dumps all its heat into the rest of the ethanol. And for some reason it loses its skin. I don't know why. That's the piece that just blows me away still. I don't know why. But you have like this vapor bubble that's super hot. And then at the very end, when the water around it cools down, it dumps all its heat into it. So I want you to watch that bubble that's around it. So if you look closely at the quarter, you'll see a thin layer around it. That is a vacuum. That's a region of ethanol that is fully vaporized. And then once the water around it cools down enough, it dumps all the heat from it into the water, right there. And then it loses its skin. I have no idea what, and then this boils. That's pretty cool. It's so cool. Look at it vaporizing on the table. So dope. Okay. So what we're going to do in class today is we're going to do a